I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie yet. Wondering if I could sneak out the bed.